So for the VirtualBox installation, I already have the file downloaded from the internet. So go ahead and double click on the file to launch the installation. Of course, what we have here is the setup wizard. I recommend that you leave all the options as their default settings. Don't really change anything, especially if you're not too familiar with the installation process. So go ahead and leave everything as default. Click yes and then install to begin the installation process. Here we have the status bar. Of course, my laptop is one of the best, so it's not going to take very long for this installation to be completed. You will get a few of these pop-ups here. I simply prefer to uncheck the option to trust the developers. Of course, it's up to you if you want to leave the option checked. If it's checked or unchecked, it really won't hamper the installation in any way. It's just a matter of personal preference. All right. And that's it. The software has been installed, and you would see VirtualBox opened up automatically on your system. So next, we're gonna add Windows Server